what's up? It's me, Jessica, and welcome back to the vlog. So in today's video, we'll be doing a room tour. The Playhouse Loft Bed that you see at my back is actually the star of this video. You barely see the whole structure of it because of its size. It's a little big and our room is small. Yung kinatatayuan ngayon ng camera stand, medyo malapit na siya sa wall. So, medyo ganun ka-liit yung aming room. But I'll do my best to give you guys a whole look of the structure later on. But before we move on to the video, please show me some love by subscribing to my channel and follow me on my socials for updates. About our room space, it's now time for me to do this tour, starting off with the first level. First level! Meron kasi kaming third, fourth level nitong playhouse kung di nyo maitatanong. No, char. Let's begin in this area. You can see two cushioned benches. So, the middle is kind of open, but we can definitely put a table here. I'll show you. Pwede siya sa board games, pwede siya pagka nag-aaral, pwede for reading, pwede for writing, pwede. Lahat pwede. Pwede for eating. Ayan, pero hindi ako masyadong papakain dito sa kwarto. Mainly because, baka langgamin kami. Masyado na kaming sweet dito, lagi kami nilalanggam. Anyway, so, yan yung itsura niya pag nilagay natin ng sensory table. It has a standard of a sensory table talaga. You see, it still fits. And pag umupo ako dito, I have a little leg room. Ayan. Kakaupo pa rin, and hindi masyadong tuck yung knees ko. The size of the table is actually ideal for the space that these two benches offer. Meron kang space in the middle to put this on, and then we really plan when our kids start their homeschooling, dito sila. So yung workstation nila right here, we can take advantage of the natural lighting. Klarong-klaro yung mga pwede ninyong gawin dito. Magbasa, pwede magsulat. So basically, that's the purpose of this. It's just so nice that this table is not fixed, you know, yung parang naka-fix talaga dito sa benches. You can move around the table to wherever you want it to be. For example, if you want this space, actually dyan, kung nasa nakatayo yung tripod, may space pa dyan eh. Just like what I've shown you earlier. May space pa dyan, so when the kids wanted to roam around, kind of run, pwede nilang magawa. Open space pa rin siya because the table is here. And pag times naman na you just wanna chill, pwede mong alisin tong table, lagay mo dyan, and then magkuya-kuya-kuy ka na lang dito. Oo, sa bench. Before we move on, can we just take time to appreciate these leaves right here? Medyo malapit na naming ma-achieve yung aming jungle theme na playroom. Ang sarap sa paningin ng maraming dahon, maraming halaman. Ang ganda. Magandang accent lang talaga siya dito sa player room. And napakaraming halaman doon na nagtutubuan sa aming backyard. Ganito ako pag normal na nakatayo. And dito sa ilalim, kailangan kong yumuko ng ganyan para makapasok. Believe me guys, ilang beses na ako nauntog dito. And mind you, this is solid wood to. Nakakalimutan ko, hindi pala ako kasya dito. Ganyan siya. Simply, yan. And tada! Spacious siya. Talagang min-maximize yung distance ng bench to the other bench. This is not your ordinary bench. Itong bench na to actually, gumagalaw. No, charot. Itong bench na to, na-extend siya guys. So, pwede siya maging day bed. This is how we maximized the space by putting or extending the benches to become a bed. Converting it to a bed. I'll show you. Madali lang siya. Itong frame na to, meron talaga siyang extendable mechanism. Nice! Extendable mechanism! Wait. I-close up natin direct. Close natin saglit. Wait lang. Close natin. Ganyan siya. Ooh! Ta! You do it on the other side. Itong mga cushion na to can actually be removed to its frame. Meron dito, ayan. Hindi mo talaga siya maaalis. Meron dito parang string na nag-hold sa kanya. Freedom! Ayan. Dudugtong lang natin siya dito. Then guess what? Yun din, yung headboard, natatanggal din siya. here it is. Our full-size bed. Isn't it amazing? Isn't it surprising? Isn't it? Pwede ka na matulog. Okay. Kasha actually ang 3 tao dito, sa totoo lang. Zoom in nga natin ulit direct. Masyadong malayo. Ayan. In fairness, kasha hanggang 3 tao dito. But if you want a more comfortable rest, 2 hanggang 2. And so, back to our regular programming with a regular setup. Ganun lang siya kadali i-convert into a bed. Ganun lang din siya kadali i-convert into its regular bench setup. One of the great features of this Playhouse Loft Bed is this floating bookshelf. Since we have a small room space, we cannot afford to put another bookshelf. Masyado na siyang cramped if we'll put another furniture. And so we thought of an idea, why not have a floating bookshelf? In a way, it's a space-saving hack. It's already attached here. It's immovable. Ako yung nag-move. Actually, kapag pumasok ka dito sa room na to, ito agad isa sa mga makikita mo. Reading is so important, and so we like the books to be placed where kids can actually grab them so easily and put them back the same way. Bzz, bzz, bzz. Little Bear reached out his paw. As you can see, we also have another bookshelf or floating bookshelf here and another one there. So we kind of maximize each corner of this first floor. Maximize each corner of the frame itself by putting floating bookshelf. We have a 2-year-old toddler. We put this instead. So dito siya kakapit. These are still empty, this one and the other one there. Joshua, our 4-year-old, is soon starting his homeschooling, and so we look forward to be filling in these shelves with books, worksheets. Also over here, since yung main light, andun talaga. Masyadong lighting dito, lalo kapag gloomy, katulad nito, medyo on and off si Haring Araw. Meron tayo ditong improvised light for them. Operated by 3 AAA batteries. Just have to press it. Oh, diba? Meron ka ng pailaw. Oo. Gusto namin dito sa bahay talagang may liwanag ang buhay. Primary goal of this Playhouse Loft Bed is to really save space. Again, we have a small room space, and so we'd like to maximize each feature of this loft bed by putting storages. You might have seen this earlier when I converted this bench to a bed. This car seat, pag hindi namin siya ginagamit, dito namin siya tinatago kasi wala na rin naman masyadong space dun sa master. So, dyan siya nakalagay. So, you see, hidden siya. Oh, diba? Then we have here another shelf for the kids' toys. So this is really nice. It complements the wood. Ito yung pantakip ng... Bakit nandito to? Ganyan talaga pagka may mga toddlers. Puzzles, cars. Diyan siya nakalagay. Here is a tray where the laminated paper dolls I've made were stored. Ayan. And hi, hello! Yan, one of the advantages of having a wood workshop. Pag uwi ni Norma, meron na siyang pasalubong na ganyan sa mga bata. So when you enter the room, hindi mo talaga siya masyadong makikita. That's the goal, to make it really seamless. At dahil minsan lang sila bata, we dedicated this corner for their slider. Gosh, ang tulas niyo masyado. Malamang slider nga, diba? This is a reversible ramp. So, pwede siya maging slider, like this one, nakikita nyo ngayon. And pwede rin siya, pag binaliktad ninyo, is may mga boulders siya, or yung mga wooden rocks. Woo! Okay. I think it's really meant for the kids. Yung kids na lang magpapakita sa inyo. Kids, pasok!
Light! Silhouette! That? I'll protect you. Light! Light! Light!
We're basically done here at the first floor. It's now time for me to tour you at the second floor. Let's go, hop into the elevator. Hindi pala. Stairs lang pala. But before we proceed upstairs, I think it's cool to show you what these stairs can actually do. Stairs transform. Char. Again, to save space, we put storage here in the stairs. So each step actually has a drawer. Okay, so this drawer can actually fit this regular sized box. Saktong-sakto, para talaga siyang sinukat. These are the wooden blocks of the kids. Ito yung parang retaso. Oo, yan yung mga retaso galing sa shop. Okay. Next step is actually dedicated for, stuffed toy.
Oh, hello there. Hi, my name is Brownie.
Okay, so instead of displaying them, kahit gaano pa sila ka-cute, parang mas prefer namin na nakatago na lang sila dito. And then, whenever the kids would like to play with them, madali lang din naman nila makukuha. Placards, the animals, different animals, flags, stuffed toys and placards. Next step, we have another set of toys. May space pa actually dito. Pwede pa. Again, given to them. Wala kami masyadong binibili dyan. Puro mga bigay talaga. Shout out po sa mga nagbibigay ng toys kala Josh and Danny. Thank you so much. Okay, next. Aha! Some of the school supplies. Dito sa pinakataas, ano ba to? Hidden ba to? Ayaw niya magpabukas, Mare. Ayaw. Alam ko wala rin naman talaga nakalagay dyan. Empty lang din yan. Welcome to the second floor. Welcome to the second floor. So this is how this house looks like from the inside. Ayan siya. Mukha talagang bahay. Ano? Parang nagbabahay-bahayan lang kami. Again, ito yung dipa ko. Tama ba, dipa? Dipa. May chance talaga na magdilim dito kasi the only source is yun nandito sa pinakatapat ng playhouse. Yun lang talaga yun. Doon galing sa window, wala rin naman masyadong pumapasok kasi medyo taas to. Medyo mababa yung window namin doon. So parang in a way, yung baba lang talaga yung naliliwanagan. And so, just like what we've done, at the first floor, we put an improvised light. Same goes here. Ayan, kita nyo ba? So, i-turn on lang natin siya para lalo akong mainitan. Ayan. There. May liwanag ang buhay. Liliwanagan niya talaga yung buong area. Parang may time kami talaga makapag-read ng maayos, hindi yung masyadong madilim. It's really nice. Walang kuryente. Safe lang siya. May ring light ako dito. Kaya medyo may liwanag tayo nakukuha. Pag wala yan, off natin. Ayan. Ganito siya. Ganito yung liwanag. Or ganito lang. Pag may light naman, there. And so that sums up our room tour. Now, if you like this video, please do let me know by clicking this thumbs up. And please do support me by subscribing to my channel. That way, I know, guys, that you are liking the content and you would like to see more. Thank you guys for watching. Until the next one, bye!